Namaste to all of you, Master Jay here, and welcome guys on my YouTube channel Jay Yoga Academy. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe it for more updates about yoga. So today I will teach you some arms balancing pose. So first of all, I want to teach you the Mayurasana, Peacock pose, the simple Mayurasana and the Padma Mayurasana. So in this, what we have to do first, you need to use your core strength. Just bend your legs, lift your heels up and put your both hands. You can put your hands in this position, you can put your hands in this position also. We do this one so we can make more height. So just put your knee here, you have to bend your elbow and try to put it in your rib cage here. Inside, try to make it close as much you can so you can make the balance more easily. So in this first, bend your elbow here, just put it first, take inhale and with exhalation, slowly here you can lift it up and then straight leg. If you are a beginner, if you cannot make balance, you can try it with head down also. So for that, first put your head down and then try to raise your legs up here. Slowly, if you are able to make balance, head up and then hold it. So the same pose you can do it with wall also. When you have wall, you can put your legs onto the wall, also you can make the balance and try to hold it. So for the girls, try to avoid this pose. So in some case you can have little bit, we not allow for the pose for the girls. So normally the women who have more strong body, they can do it. And after this, I will teach you the Padma Mayurasana. In the same Padma Mayurasana, you can cross your both legs, come into the padmasana, the lotus pose, and in this just stand on your knee and put your hands, finger inside. Again bend your elbow and put it on your belly here. Just engage your core strength, your muscles. Inhale, put it here and slowly exhale. Try to lift your legs up. So in the same pose also, you can try with head down onto the floor. Also you can try from this here. Just hold it first and when you are able to make balance, then head up like this. So this is a very good pose. You need a lot of strength and you need a lot of core strength and the arm strength. So just try to do it, practice every day and practice every day. Don't like only for 1 day or 2 days. Try to practice for whole week. In the beginning maybe you can have a little bit problem, but after you can do this pose very easily. So thank you so much guys. See you into the next video, and if you like it, please subscribe Jay Yoga. Thank you so much. Namaste, Hari Om.